considered legal. Everything will be considered legal.
Let's take a look at the replay if we get there. As Rodrigo's on the hunt once again, landing a flurry of punches. Roach, because his mother. Oh! Down goes Elvis Rodriguez, and
again, yeah, right between the guard, split the guard, right on the forehead. Wow. The shock absorbers in your neck absorb those shocks.
Matapos ang sunod-sunod na panalo ng ating kababayan na si Geno Rodrigo, ay nabigyan ito ng pagkakataon na mapalaban sa bansang Amerika. At first time nitong lumaban sa labas ng bansa, na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang knockout artist, ang Dominican boxer at alaga ni Freddie Roach na si Elvis Rodriguez. May ring record ang Dominican boxer na 15 wins, 1 loss at 13 knockouts. Habang ang ating kababayan ay may ring record na 12 wins, 3 losses at 10 knockouts. Samantala hindi basta-bastang kalaban ang Dominican boxer na ito dahil may kabigatan din ang mga kamao nito. At halos lahat ng nakalaban bulagta ang inabot sa kamay ng Dominican boxer. At hindi pa ito nakaranas na bumagsak sa laban.
His hand out there, and a huge right hand puts Postal down for the first knockdown of the fight.
Down! Hindi rin magpapatalo ang ating kababayan dahil malakas din ang mga kamao nito.
That hurt Malfani, but Malfani counters. I think that's enough.
Samantala sa laban ng dalawa sa unang round pa lang ay pinatikim na ng Pinoy ang lakas ng kamao nito nang pabagsakin nito ang Dominican boxer.
More muscular in the arms.
One time, Roach, because his mother. Oh! Down goes Elvis after that shot that Geno Rodriguez left. How will Rodriguez deal? Minute left here in the first round. Look at the replay if we get there. As Rodrigo's on just as. Taking the count.
That's one way to clear your head.
Both men down in the opening round. Both men down.
Top of the head. Boom, right there. Those shots. Those shot again. Yeah, right between the guard, split the guard, right on the forehead. Wow. The shock absorbers front leg in an awkward position. Bang! Short little check hook on
things right there. And there's a straight left now. He said, I did it. The biggest win of his career against Victor.
Size of Elvis' fight. Some weakness sometimes can help you get that opportunity.
With that overhand right from Rodriguez.
Shot goes out of your vision because,
but you could see he's
got that head. His head.
Rodrigo just looking to land that right.
These young fighters.
Oh, nice hook from Elvis, and you
got dropped pretty hard.
A double right uppercut from Elvis for Elvis.
In that sequence there.
It's easy to plan. The power is in the Elvis Rodriguez as well, as he left. Rodrigo has thrown this fight.
Very shot.
There it is. I mean, Rodrigo going down.
To have to mind his P's and Q's in there. Being defensively sound. What a dream. I told everybody I was going to be world champion. Listen, that's how it starts.
Lightning quick right.
Less of a risk when he.
Right hook. Once again.
Needs to be careful. Got hit with one right.
There's a reason that left hand of
a really good guy can hurt you when he hits you on the forehead. You're gonna
olden days. Good hook. Dropped Rodrigo again, and then in round
3 openings, stiff opposition.
Do not count out Steve Clack. It's a very fluid division as we. Step early on. So, time Rodriguez throws. There's. When you want the best news in the ESPN.com for Mike
Canelo Alvarez, it seems.
Schedule 10-rounder Elvis Rodriguez.
Or look good next time.
Or if it's just a fight and win at all costs.
Freddie.
But it's a guy inside the ring, no matter.
But I was not affected by outside.
I will marry you.
Whoa!
What? Nice right hand again from to a check right hook. 5 saw Elvis land a beautiful last 6 minutes, and now he finally. There's a straight. Says, hey, I do have this punch, and I can follow. Inside Chris Algieri with Timothy over the last 2 rounds ahead. But
everything is hard. It's their opponent. Every shot.
Hand that he throws, and he catches
a guy who's just waiting on one punch too, and it's just it can really throw off your game. I think with
eyelid. Nice straight left there from.
Go out there and win this round.
There's the right hand from Rodriguez.
Yeah, it really makes me think about, Elvis Rodriguez.
Elvis could not take advantage of that. So
natalo si Geno Rodrigo by a 10th round unanimous decision. Samantala, bagaman natalo ang ating kababayan, ay bumawi naman ito sa mga sumunod na laban dahil nito lang March 2025 ay muling dumayo at napalaban si Geno Rodrigo sa bansang Amerika, na kung saan isang undefeated Puerto Rican prospect ang kanyang nakaharap na si Matthew Gonzalez. May malinis na ring record ang Puerto Rican na 15 wins, 10 knockouts. Sa laban ng dalawa ay hindi inasahan ng lahat na ma-upset ng Pinoy ang wala pang talo na Puerto Rican boxer dahil ilang segundo lang sa round 1 knockout ang inabot ito sa kamay ng Pinoy.
Round 1.
Panalo si Geno Rodrigo by a first round knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Ibigay ang iyong komento sa baba at huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.